XRP, we start with forward chart. If you refer to our analysis, since the price exactly was within here, exactly here, we mentioned any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And this is what we get. All right. Because if you refer to our analysis, I mentioned I'm looking for buy, I'm looking for the reversal. Exactly as what we expected, we get. That's why I mentioned even for this year, mostly I'm more interested to look for XRP, to look for buy. And even if you refer to 1 hour chart, since the price exactly was within here, we discussed we can look for buy. And as a short term based on 1 hour chart, we mentioned we're looking for 72 following by 75. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this one. As you can see, the first chart exactly broke the 75. Then we see the continuation as a corrective. Anyway, we have been looking for buy. The price moved quite a lot, reversed quite a lot. No one see what's the next. For those traders, they get the trade for buy, especially from here. If you refer to our analysis, right now, if they want to keep the trade, they need for this one. That means they need to book some profit. All right, may they move their stop loss somewhere around below this, somewhere around 75. Having a stop loss below this, it depends. But if they want to keep the trade, may they move their stop loss to 75 and book some profit, 75 cent. And no one see what's the next if we start with a higher time frame. And if we move to daily chart, we mentioned, we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get because as a long term, we want to see the breakout of 1.42. And with the breakout of 1.42, we're looking for 1.65 following by 2. And if for me, I believe if the price could take 2, then even we can see the breakout of the all-time high, right? Now, the only things I need to highlight here, and even if you refer to my last analysis I mentioned, all right? Now, the question was whether we can put this one in relative to this. This is the flat, and this is the start of the reversal, or we can expect this one turn to a deeper one in relative to this. That means this one can turn to a more complex correction before we see the reversal, all right? The reason I'm highlighting about this, if you want to look for any trade, any opportunity for buy within this range, as long as the price haven't break the 1.42, at least we need to look for the trade setup and we should know what's the risk and reward we're looking for. And at this point, I'm looking for daily correction, any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And mostly the breakout of the previous top, which is somewhere around 1.03 flowing by 1.1 within this range is quite important for us. All right. The reason is we want to confirm this is the start of the up move and this is not in relative to what we have here. Okay. By the way, at this point, we're looking for correction here. Any daily correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. And based on daily, we don't have any trade setup for buy, either for buy or sell. And if we move to forward chart, we can look at this one as a flat. All right. That means if we get any opportunity for buy, we can take it. And as a short term, we can look for 1 following by 1.08 as a short term target based on forward on 1 hour chart in relative to this correction. And mostly we want to see the breakout of this zone because if we refer to daily chart, we mentioned we need to see the breakout of the previous stop. And mostly this is the zones we have to look to see the breakout of. And if I move to 1 hour chart, all right, okay. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we can consider this one as an internal flat, but this one, since the price couldn't break the previous top, if the price could break the previous top, we could put this one as an internal, and this is the flat we could look for. All right. Now, the question is how this one is going to form, how complex it's going to be. We just let it go. The only thing is, at this point, we can consider this one as a three-way flat, and we want to see whether we can put this one in relative to this or not. How deep this one can go, and even we can expect the price tag the previous low, but we prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of the previous low. Then whether we should look for buy or sell first. For those traders, they get the sell from here, move their stop loss to break even. But for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. Any opportunity for buy as a reversal sharp move flag, I will take it, and having entry above this can be an option. In case the price reverses as a sharp move and with the breakout of the top of this correction, we move our stop loss to break even. That means we're looking for buy. If we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But at this point, we don't see any trade for buy. We have to wait because we're looking at this one as a flat. Then as a short term, we can look for 1 following by 1.08 and mostly want to see the breakout of this one. That's why I mentioned for those traders, they get the trade for buy from here, at least book some profit. Anyway, we have to wait. We want to see how this correction can form before we take the next trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.